This past Monday, Heart to Home Meals, a meal delivery service for seniors, visited the center at the Heights. Seniors were provided with information on how to purchase subscriptions and then were able to taste test a full meal and dessert. Heart to Home meals are made with nutrition, texture, and convenience in mind for older individuals. Catherine Brody was there to learn more.
Heart to Home is a meal delivery service. We focus primarily for seniors, but anyone can use the service. And the reason that we like to focus on seniors, it's someone that we really want to cater towards and provide a good experience to.
All of our meals are made and then instantly frozen and then are delivered frozen to seniors. We hire our own delivery drivers. Our delivery drivers will go into the homes, actually put the meals into the freezer for them, take those cardboard boxes and recycle them.
If you have any questions at any point, just flag up your hand, but hopefully I'll cover everything.
We have a menu of over 160 different menu options for seniors to choose from. Our service area includes Central, Eastern, and Southern Massachusetts. We do service all of the Cape, except for the islands.
The reason that we do events at the senior centers is it's a really good opportunity to get folks actually up and talking to us, asking us questions. So you get to try a full meal, you get to try some dessert. We do a little raffle, we do some trivia, just kind of keep things fun. And so it's been really nice the past several months to be able to actually get back into senior centers and really meet with our customers. And sometimes we'll actually see people who order from us, so we'll get to kind of put a face to the name, and that's always really nice.
When those meals are made, we care about the nutrition going into them. We have those special diets with the low sodium, high fiber, etc. We're constantly working with nutritionists to expand that.
But I do think it's really nice to have that very kind of sharp focus and understanding the kind of the dietary needs of seniors, what's important, and how to age healthily and aging strong.
So we really get to know some of our regular customers as well, and we have conversations with them. A lot of our customers will order from us weekly or bi-weekly.
The world is definitely changing a lot, so one thing that we like to highlight is that we still have a full customer service team available 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, so you can just call us up. We take written orders, so you can mail in an order to us and we'll do it that way. So we really like to cater as much to the individual. So if you just go to our website, hearttohomemeals.com, that's a great place to get started. You can also give us a call. Our number is 508-658-3000, and you can just talk to one of our customer service reps and get to know a little bit more about the company.